Page 142, the Tennessee Waltz, or Tennessee Waltz. I call it the Tennessee Waltz. You call it what you want, I don't know. This is a piece that is not in some books, but is in others. So for the sake of the people who have it, I'm going to go ahead and include it. 3/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale 2 octaves up and down at least, and the A minor scale 2 octaves up and down, please. It's kind of important. Rhythm-wise, I don't see a problem, bunch of eighth notes and quarter notes, but let's cover this carefully because we're finger pedaling the left hand. You see at the beginning? These, you're holding them down. You're doing what the pedal would do if there were a pedal. We're not pedaling this piece, but that's all right. So just make sure you hold those down. Just thumb there because we got to go up. Come up here. I do it on the third line. I do a 1, and then a 2, 3, 5, and then a 3, and then a 2, 3. It's 2, 3, 5, and then lift up. The top of page 143. It's. We've got 2 voices now. Hold this down in the right hand. And if you can, I want to play the melody. I do little finger, just crunch up, and then third finger. So I play the melody legato. And that G there is tied. You're just adding that. Come up. I do a 2 on the F sharp. You can do a 1 if you want, but and then a 1, 5. I want to connect the melody. I do the best I can with the other notes. I want to connect the melody. 5. The D's tied. Fourth finger. Now watch the fingering here. I want to connect the melody in the right hand. Actually, both hands here. Here. 5. Hit 5. And then hit thumb. Here. Let's go with that last line here on page 143. In the right hand, 5, 3, and then here, 5, 3, or 4 if you'd rather. I typically do a 4, but you can do a 3 if you'd like. And then connect these here. If you do a 4, you can just do it here. But hold that C down. You can if you want. Here, just stay there and thumb, and then 3. Because it's a repeated note. That's fine. You work out the fingering that works for you. Just play it legato. Play them connected there. In the left hand, it's like a C major scale till you get to the F sharp. And then here. So here. And there's a retardando there. You slow down a bit. Then once you get the notes figured out and all that, try putting in this phrasing. It's for the melody. The left hand, you can play it pretty much as legato as you can throughout, except of course for the rest. So their phrasing is all right, even though it's a little choppy, but it's kind of the way this song goes. Go ahead and put in the phrasing. I don't know that I need to demonstrate all of that to you. I think you can handle it. Dynamic wise, soft to the melody. I tend to get a little louder. This is soft. Because this isn't melody in here. That's the melody. That's what we want to hear, not this. So that's like background, and then the melody comes in. So forth, and you're staying in that area. You don't have to stay exactly at that, because I tend to get a little louder and softer. Again, it's part of getting in and feeling the music. And as you feel it, you'll play it. Just don't get loud. This piece does not really get loud. The loudest part would be like toward the bottom of page 143. You have a crescendo there at the end of the fourth line. You're going to go up to moderately loud for the last two measures. So you just take your time. I tend to get softer there too. That doesn't say to, but again, how do you feel it? You know, speed-wise, it's a gentle waltz.